Hi Smarty Stars, welcome to your channel, where you always learn, laugh and explore something new. Fireworks in a jar experiment is going to be wonderful for kids, who are fond of simple science experiments, safe for kids. Mix oil, water, food coloring, and Alka-Seltzer for exploding colors. Kids go wild with the bubbly fireworks reactions.
Hi friends, I'm Max, this is Luna, and our best buddy Buddy the bear. Today we're making fireworks in a jar. Safe indoor fireworks for kids. For this experiment, we need a clear jar, water, oil, food coloring, and Alka-Seltzer tablets. Let's get started. First, fill the jar about 2/3 with water. Now carefully pour vegetable oil on top. Look how it floats.
Whoa! Look at the colorful bubbles exploding like fireworks. Fireworks! Yay, so easy and wonderful for kids.
Here comes the magic. Drop in a piece of Alka-Seltzer. The tablet makes gas bubbles that go upward and carry the colors up. Boom!
Wow, it's raining colors. Buddy loves it too. We can do this over and over. The fireworks keep coming.
Let's try more colors at once. Drop in another tablet. Bigger explosion.
This is the best safe fireworks ever. Try it at home with grown-up help. Bye friends. See you next time.
Why it's safe and awesome for kids.
Look
No
how the
real
colors
fire
trail through
or
the oil.
danger,
It's so
just
pretty.
a cool
Now
chemical
watch this
reaction
tablet
making
fireworks.
gas.
Wow,
It
bubbles
teaches
shooting up
density,
high.
polarity, why things mix, or don't, and acid-base reactions. Perfect indoor fireworks for smarty scientists. Thanks for watching, and experiment with the help of a grown-up.